Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend to place your earphones to the charging case and then close the case. Now you need to wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update. So then you just remove your earbuds from the case and check it. If it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of your earbuds we have touch areas, over here we have Belkin, and this one is touch areas. You need to press and hold simultaneously until you will see that the LED light blinking white and blue, and then turn off. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to pink mode, keep holding touch areas. Here we go, now turn off, you can release your fingers. Then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them, and we have connection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!